Attention please, attention please. School will begin soon. Please be sure to get in to your assigned classes. Thank you.
Hai, lo BGM-nya gak ada. Lo BGM doko. Wait, what happened to the BGM? This is pretty, ya, bye. There we go. Hai, sama wa super kawaii zombie idol. Crazy Ollie desu. Hello everyone. Hello. Good evening. Selamat malam. Selamat sore. Konbanwa. Welcome to the stream. Haishin de yokoso. Selamat datang di streamnya Ollie. Itu kenapa ya chatnya seperti itu ya? I wonder why the chat is like that. That's pretty weird. I need to fix it real quick. I'm sorry, I was crying. Maaf ya ini agak berantakan. Ollie tadi habis nangis. Ollie habis nge-simp. Alhasil jadi kayak gini. I forgot I had a math stream. Did you guys see it? You guys must have seen it, right? Pasti kalian lihat lah. Kenapa chatboxnya seperti itu? Why is the chatbox like that? Nande? Why? Ya sudahlah ya. Ya sudahlah ya, mau bagaimana lagi? I don't know what else. Oh, is the chat fixed? Not yet. Why is the chat like that? Wait. Nande? It was good a second ago. Come on. What do I do? Minna, chottomatte. I gotta look for an alternative for the chat. Dang, what happened? Seriously. Let's use this one. Like, chottomatte ne. Is this okay? I guess this is okay. Baik. Hajimeyouka. Mari kita mulai. Where was I? Where were we? I'm sorry. I wasn't focused. I wasn't focused at all. Hai, konbanwa, super kawaii zombie idol. Crazy Ollie desu. Ini adalah Ollie desu. Yes, today we will be studying maths. Hari ini kita akan belajar matematika bareng-bareng. Kyou wa maths bahasa Jepangnya apa? Math o benkyou shitai to omoimasu. Hai. Yes. Wait, Mary's here. Is Mary here? Was Mary here? Merryweather. Oh my gosh, Mary! Welcome to the stream. Hello, Mary. Yes. Hello. Sugaku. Sugaku desu ka? Kyou wa sugaku o benkyou shitai to omoimasu. Today we will be studying math. Hari ini kita akan belajar matematika. Yes. Ollie, hey Mary, welcome to the stream. I'm glad you could make it. Yes, so I've been meaning to do this stream for a while now. Ollie udah dari kapan tahu pengen nge-stream ini. Zutto mae kara kono haishin ga yaritai to omoimashita. Kyou wa dekimashita. Akhirnya hari ini terlaksanakan. Akhirnya kita bisa belajar matematika bareng-bareng. Sebenarnya kenapa Ollie dari kemarin itu gak nge-stream matematika? Itu karena Ollie males cari soal. Itu aja kendalanya. So the reason why we haven't been having a math stream is because I've been too busy. Not really busy. I've been too lazy looking for the equations that we do together, you know? Cuman itu aja sih. Sore dake. Yeah. So it is math time. Ollie's Indonesian sounds so cool. Thank you. I'm glad that you think my bahasa sounds cool. Katanya bahasa Indonesianya Ollie keren suaranya. Yes, so Today we will be studying divisions of polynomials. Hari ini kita akan belajar pembagian polinomial. I've always wanted to do a math stream, so here we are. Ollie memang dari kemarin pengen, jadi akhirnya kita di sini. It's our first class together, so I thought it'd be best if we just start with something simple and nice and work our way up on the next streams. Jadi Ollie kepikir gitu, karena ini baru kelas pertamanya kita, karena ini baru stream pertamanya kita, mungkin yang mudah-mudah dulu aja kali ya materinya. Terus nanti tambah lama tambah sulit gitu kan ya. Hence I chose polynomials, cause I think it's the easiest out of all. Oleh karena itu Ollie pilih polinomial. Soalnya menurut Ollie dari semua itu ini yang paling gampang gitu. Yang paling nggak gampang-gampang. Ya maksudnya gampang sih, tapi maksudnya nggak sampai baby gampang 1 + 1 gitu kan ya. Like I chose this because it's easy, but it's not too easy. It's not like multiplications. It's not like normal algebra. It's a little complicated. Well, not really. This is actually easy. I bet all of you guys can do this. Ollie yakin kalau semua yang ada di sini ngerti polinomial. I trust that all of you guys know what polynomial is. And then maybe we'll get into trigonometry on the next one, and then maybe hop into some differential equations on the next, and maybe a little vector. Not matrix though, I can't do them. I always mix up columns and rows, and I'm not very good at matrix. Ya mungkin nanti kita kayak lanjut ke trigonometry gitu, atau enggak terus habis itu ke differential equations, apa sih bahasa Indonesianya Ollie lupa. Terus mungkin vektor gitu kan ya. Tapi yang pasti Ollie gak mau matrix. Ollie gak bisa sama sekali sama matrix gitu. No trigonometry. Yeah, trigonometry is hard. Hence we won't be doing it today. We'll be doing it on another day. Trigonometry nanti aja soalnya sulit. And to clarify, this is not a teaching stream, okay? This is a study together. Dan untuk kalian semua yang kira kalau hari ini Ollie bakal ngajarin kalian matematika, kalian salah besar ya. I won't be teaching maths. Hari ini Ollie gak bakal... Ollie itu gak bakal ngajar. Kita itu akan belajar bareng-bareng, oke? Kita belajar bareng. It's a study together. It's a let's study. It's not, I'm not teaching you guys anything. We're just studying together, yeah. Which means I won't entirely be right, and we'll have to help each other if we don't get it. Yang artinya kalau Ollie gak ngerti, kalian harus bantuin Ollie lah. Oke? Soalnya Ollie harus mengingatkan kepada kalian, Ollie ini zombie yang mati pada umur 17. I need to remind you guys that I used to be a normal zombie who died at the age of 17, then got reanimated, right? And when I did rise from the grave, I instantly joined the hololive and became an idol minutes right after. Dan Ollie harus ingatkan, Ollie itu kan meninggal pada umur 17. Setelah Ollie meninggal, Ollie kan mati. Terus waktu bangkit dari kubur jadi zombie itu, Ollie bukannya balik lagi ke sekolah, tapi Ollie jadi idol. Jadi kalau Ollie salah, mohon maklumi. I haven't finished my high school. Ollie belum selesai SMA. Ollie selamanya 17 ini. If that makes sense. So if I get some answers wrong, I'm sorry. Just correct me. Yes. And so I guess we'll just get into the stream, shall we? Ya kita langsung belajar aja kali ya. Ya kalau gitu Ollie pakai kacamata dulu kali ya. Let me use my glasses and let's erase this. Hi. というわけで without further ado, let us start the class. Let's review from the very basic. So what is polynomial? What is polynomial? So, this is from what I remember, okay? So, polynomial is basically when numbers and alphabets meet. It's where variables and coefficients gets into actions like additions, subtractions, multiplications, and non-negative integer exponentiation of variables, right? Pokoknya hampir kayak aljabar gitu kan ya. Polinomial itu kayak kalimatnya aljabar gitu, kayak contohnya let's see, Here's an example. 8. X. Wait. My handwriting sucks so bad. Let's do this. 7x plus 6. So this is a polynomial, okay? At least that's what I remember. Kalau nggak salah ini polynomial. And 8, 7, and 6, they are called coefficients, right? They're called coefficients. While the x is a variable. So these are variables. And these are coefficients, right? And then the minus and the plus, they're called operators. Operators. Right? Right? Am I correct? Please tell me if I'm wrong. I kind of forgot. Ollie agak lupa-lupa. Jadi kalau Ollie salah bilang ya. And then Wait, actually 6 isn't. So like 8 and 7, they're called they're called coefficients, right? Well, 6 is called a constant, right? Right. I forgot. I'm very sorry. Constanta. Yes. So 8 and 7 are coefficients, and then x are variables, and the minus and the plus, they're operators, and 6 is a constant, right? Yes. A constanta. Very basic. And if I remember correctly, in polynomials, there's this thing called degrees, right? So basically, these are all. What degree is this actually? This is a degree 2, right? Wait, let me do this real quick. Let me get rid of that. Yeah, if I remember correctly, this polynomial is called a degree 2. Why is it called a degree 2? Because this thing, the exponent, this is called an exponent, right? The exponent is 2. So like the degree changes. The degree changes based on the exponents. Like let's just say that this is it's just a 7x plus 6, then this is a degree 1. But if we do it like this, then it's a degree 2, right? And let's just say that in the front, let's just like add something in the front. Wait, that's my alarm. Let's just add something in the front. Let's just say we add and this is the 3rd degree, right? Yeah, it's based on the exponents. Yay, I'm learning. I remember. Okay, awesome. And so anyways, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide polynomials. But adding and subtracting is like baby's play, and multiplying things is just as easy. So today we will be dividing. Today we will be dividing polynomials. Kalau tambah-tambahan kan itu udah bisa kan ya, tambah-tambahan, kurang-kurangan, terus perkalian gitu. Itu semua orang mah udah bisa. Jadi hari ini kita akan membagi. And for polynomials, there's 2 ways of dividing it. The first one is called the long division. Long division. And the other one is called the synthetic division. If I remember correctly, in Indonesia, long division is called cara bersusun. Cara bersusun kan ya? Bahasa Indonesianya long division. Yes. And for synthetic division, it's called cara corner. Because apparently the guy who found the synthetic division is named Mr. Horner. Yeah. personally, out of these two divisions, I'm more of the long division one because I think it's simpler. Yes. And yeah. You guys probably already know. Anyways, let's discuss the first version first. Let's discuss the long division first. A bit. Yeah, we're going to discuss this one after we discuss the long division one. We're going to discuss the synthetic division. Kita pertama bahas yang long division dulu, terus baru synthetic division, oke? Okay? So. Yeah, so basically, the long division is the same as dividing things. Jadi kalau untuk masalah yang cara bersusun itu sebenarnya samanya kayak membagi sih. Membagi pakai atap. Gitu. Jadi ceritanya kita bikin soal kali ya. Let's make say this. Yeah? Let's make our own soal. Let's make our own equation. So let's just say ini kuadrat bahasa Inggrisnya apa deh? Ollie lupa deh. Kalau kuadrat itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa deh? I kind of forgot. Kuadrat itu apa dah? I forgot. Mencoba memahami. What is that thing called? The exponent, like the other square, right? Right. So we're going to divide 8x squared plus 7x minus 6 with a let's divide it with a 2x minus 3. So what we do is that first we put the 2x3 in front of the house. So this is how it will look like. 2x minus 3. And then we make the house. I don't know what it's called. I just call it a house. 8x squared plus 7x minus 6. Yes. So what we do with the long division is that first, this is going to be divided by this. And it will go here. And once it goes here, it gets timed with this. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? That's how long divisions work. Let me rewrite it so that we have more space. What was that again? We have a 2x minus 3 to the house. 8x squared plus 7x minus 6. Berarti? Minus x dari mana? Enggak. This is just from this is just something that I thought of. Ini cuman soal yang Ollie pikirkan aja. Ini cuman kayak contoh soal gitu loh. Yes. So what we do is that we're going to divide this with this, which means 8x squared divided by 2. So basically, a non-squared x is basically an x1. So we do this, and this becomes 1, but we don't write that down. And then we do this, and we get this. So what happens is that we get a 4x. Did you get it? Did you get it? So. Once we get to 4x, we multiply this with this, which means this is going to be this, and then this is going to be minus 12x. Get it? And then after that, we're going to subtract it. So this becomes 0, right? This becomes 0, it becomes nothing. And then there's plus 7 minus 12. I mean, there's plus 7x subtracted by minus 12, which means the minus will turn into plus. Because if minus meets minus, it becomes plus. So this becomes a 19x. And then this goes down and it becomes minus 6. You get it? Wait, right? It's minus 19. Wait, it's 19, right? It's 19x. It's minus 5x. Is it minus 5x? Oh, it's minus 5x? Is it minus 5x or is it 19? It's minus 5. Is it minus 5? Am I wrong? Please, salah kah? Can I go to the toilet? I don't know. Can you go to the toilet? I don't know. Yeah, it's good. Okay. Okay, so now that we're good, what we do is that... what do we do next? What we do next is that this gets divided by this. That becomes something like... Right? So then we get rid of the x. But what happens here? I don't know. It becomes plus 19. Is this how you do it? Is this how you do it? Am I doing it wrong? Salah gak sih? Is it wrong? This is getting weird. Atau ini soalnya yang salah ya? So it's 9.5. Can you do that? 9.5? Is that allowed? Itu boleh gak sih? Kita tulis 9,5. Is that okay? So, udah bener kah? I think you are doing wrong, am I? That's correct. Is it correct? Well, anyways, after that we multiply that. We get this. This multiplied by this. It becomes, what is this? Kayaknya ini soalnya deh yang salah deh. Iya gak sih? Ini soalnya yang salah gak sih? Mungkin gara-gara ini kita bikin soal kali ya. And then if we do this, this becomes plus. This becomes 0. And, am I doing this right? So then this becomes 21.5. Betul gak sih? Is this? Yeah, I don't think this is correct. Let's just... Kita cari soal yuk di Google. Let's look for... How about this? How about this? Everyone, we're going to look. Kita cari soal ya. We're going to look for a new equation because I don't think that we can make the equation from scratch. Yeah, let's make a new one. Kita bikin yang baru. Menurut Ollie kayaknya itu it feels so wrong. Okay, let's just say okay, I found one. Let's say that 2x squared plus x minus 1 is divided. Why is my... Yeah! Bye. Let's make it aesthetic. This is a stream, Ollie. You gotta make your handwriting look aesthetic. Anyways, let's make a new equation. I mean, do a new equation. So let's do this is what I found in Google. Minus 1 divided by x times... No, not x times... x plus 1. Okay? Yes. Hi. And then what we do is that first we gotta make the house first. So x plus 1. Make the house. 2x plus x minus 1. Right? Well, this is the basic. This is what we gotta start off with. And then 2x squared divided by x is just 2x, so we put that there. And then we multiply it. 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared. And then 2x times by 1 is just 2x, so we do this. and then we subtract it. We get 0 from this. We get minus x, and this goes down, and it becomes... Eh? だよね. Right? Minus 1? And then what we do is that minus x divided by x is just x, but minus again. So it's minus... Wait, what? So it's minus 1? And then this times this is just... Eh? Ah? Eh? Eh, betul gak sih? Bener? It's plus. Is it plus? I'm sorry. It's minus x1 and... Yes, that's correct. But what happens here? This gets multiplied with this, right? Which means it becomes minus x1, and then we subtract it. But because when we subtract this becomes this, and this becomes this, which means it's 0. Yeah, kasi? Seikai desu ka? So, 2x squared plus x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is 2x minus 1. Is it right? Yay! So that's how you do long divisions. Wow! We are smart. I'm going to reward myself with some strawberry milk. Hey. Kitaze! Kitaze! Solved. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. And now we're going to discuss the hornier part. I mean the synthetic part. So synthetics is a bit harder. Yeah, synthetic is a bit harder for me at least, because it's confusing, a bit confusing. It's easy actually, but sometimes a little bit confusing. First we got we need what is it called? Let me look for another. Ollie cari dulu ya soal lagi di Google. I'll look for another equation. Okay, found one. So how about 2x 3x squared plus 5 divided by x plus 1. But we're going to use the synthetic way. Yes. So the thing about this is that first we need to change this thing. We gotta change the divider. So how do we change the divider? We change the divider by doing this. So x plus 1 equals 0, right? And all we need to do is move the 1 over here. And when you move it to another place, it becomes x equals minus 1, right? So we're going to use this. So x is minus 1. And what we do is that first we gotta break it down. Let's just say this is the minus 1. And then we gotta make the house. We gotta put the stuff's over here. This is a 3 degree, right? This is a 3 degree polynomial because it has 3, 2. Like even though it doesn't have the other x, but it's still a 3rd degree. So what we do is we do this. 2. Because this is from the first one. 3. Then 0. Why do we get 0? Because there's no other x. And then we put 5. So first things first is that first we gotta pull the 2 down and we get 2. And then what you do is that you multiply minus 1 with 2. And then it goes here. It becomes minus 2. And when you add it, it becomes 1. And then you multiply 1 with this thing again. And then it goes here again. That becomes minus 1 over here. And then this becomes a normal minus 1. And then you multiply it again. And then you put it over here. And because when you multiply minus and minus, it becomes positive. This becomes 1. And you multiply it again, it becomes 6. Right? So, which means, the answer is going to be 2x minus x minus 1, and 6 will be the sisa. Sisa apa sih? Yes. That's how you do synthetic. You get it? Do you guys understand? Ngerti gak? Slowly, please. I'm doing this as slow as possible. A reminder. Oh, remainder. Yeah, this is called a remainder. Remainder. So that's how we do the Horner and the long division. Very, very easy. Let's do another one. Let's do another synthetic one. Let's say 2x. This is going to be the fourth degree. 3x plus 5x minus 2 divided by x2 minus x minus 2. We're still going to do it the synthetic style. Synthetic. Naruhodon. Synthetics and long. I kind of like the long one though. Yes. Pas banget Senin aku ulangan. Semangat ulangannya. So anyways, this is going to be a bit harder because we can't just change this like the one that we changed. Kayak gimana ya? Yang tadi itu kan gampang kan ya? Gantinya kan ya? It's very easy to change it, but now we gotta change it in the other way. We gotta factorize it. Kita harus faktorkan dulu. Yes, which means if we want to factorize this, it becomes x plus 1 x minus 2, right? Yeah, gak sih? Let's prove it. So this times this is this, and then this times this is minus 2x. This times this is just plus x, and then this times this is minus 2. So this is x2 minus x minus 2. Yeah, correct. So the factorized version of x squared minus x minus 2 is x plus 1. X plus, minus 2, right? Which means that there's 2 x's, okay? And we gotta do the Horner twice. So there's the, px1 is 1, and px2 is 2. No, actually this is minus 1. Right? And we're going to keep this here. Now we're going to do the equation. Minus 1, not 1, Ollie. Yeah, it's minus 1. I got it. Let me so that it's clear. This is minus 1, and this is 2. Hi! So what we do is, first we put the minus 1 first because this is the first x. And then we make the house again. We make the house. So this is here. Right? We just follow with the degrees. The first degree, actually the fourth degree is 2. The third degree is minus 3. There's no second degree. So we're just going to put 0. And then the first degree is 5. And then minus 2. And what we do is, first we pull this down. 2 minus 2, right? and then this becomes minus 5. This becomes 5. Yeah, and then this becomes minus 5. It becomes 0. 0 times minus 1 is 0. And we pull this down. Right? And then we do the same thing again. But without this thing, because this is a remainder. We don't use the remainders. Okay? We put 2. We pull this down. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 2. This becomes 3. This becomes 6. And this is the remainder. Right? This is the second remainder. S remainder. Once we got that, so that means this is going to be the this is what we get. The 2 minus x3. We write it as where do we write it, I wonder? We'll write it here. So this becomes 2x squared minus x plus 3. And the reminders gets... What does the reminders do, actually? I don't really know. I forgot what we do with the remainders. What do we do with the remainders again? How can we have 2 remainders? We get 2 remainders because we factorize the divider. That's how we get 2 remainders. You guys got it? Gak ada rumus kah? Rumusnya memang ini. Rumusnya itu jadi gini nih. Let me write down the formula for you guys for the synthetic one. To be honest, this isn't really a formula. This is just how you do it. Synthetic way. So first you gotta put the divider here. Divider. And the dividee inside is square according to the degree. So this is, let's just say that we have a, let's just say that it's a 3rd degree. So we put the degree here. And the constant. Okay? So what we do is that first we don't really do anything with the 1st degree, which is the one in the front. We just pull it down. Let's just say this becomes x. And what we do is that this is going to be x times the divider. And then you add that and you get x times divider plus d2. And then on the next one, it gets timed with the divider again, which means it becomes x times d plus d2 plus I mean times by the divider. That's just how you do it. Ngerti gak sih? And then it goes down again. Do you guys get it? Ngerti gak? Wakarimasu ka? That's a lot of D's. Well, I don't know what to use. Yes. Paham bu? Paham gak? Do you guys get it? It's a normal formula. I hope. It's simple. Come on. Here. I'm going to give you guys an equation, and you guys have to solve it on your own. How does that sound? I'll give you guys time to solve it on your own, and then we'll see what happens. Let's just say you try using the synthetic way, okay? Synthetic. I'll give you guys how about this? 3rd degree plus 5x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. I think this is easy. Try doing this one, everyone. The synthetic way. Coba kalian kerjain yang ini deh. Kotoaru. Kotoaru じゃねえよ. Come on, come on. It's not that hard. Here. I'll guide you. First, we gotta look for the X. You only need to turn this thing. Okay? So what you do, you want to turn the X. We pull this down. X plus 1 equals 0. Right? All we need to do is that we move the 1. Oh no. So first we gotta move the 1 to the next part. So it becomes X equals minus 1. Okay? You got that? Once you got that, all we need to do is just we do it together. Over here, we're going to put 3, okay? We're going to put 3 over here because that is the highest degree. Yes, you gotta put the highest degree in the front. So this is a 3. And then you put 0. Why do we put 0? Because there's no second degree. Like, there's supposed to be a variable. I mean, there's supposed to be the second degree with a coefficient, but there's none. So what we do is that we just write 0, right? And then we put 5 because that is the first degree. From here. After that, we just need to put the constante. Then you pull this down. 3. 3 times minus 1 is minus 1. If you add this, it goes over here, okay? Wait, I mean... No, I'm sorry. Minus 1 times 3 equals minus 3, right? And then it goes down, minus 3. And then minus 3 times minus 1 becomes 3. And you pull this down, it becomes 8. Then 8 times minus 1 becomes minus 8. And then you add that and you get minus 9. And this is going to be your remainder. This is going to be your this is going to be the result of the division. And we write it like this. Ta-da! And minus 9 is the remainder. Easy, right? Ngerti? Understood? Ngerti? Ngerti kah? Usually we don't have remainder. You're right, we usually don't have remainders. Actually, I heard that you can actually write this in a different way. You can like write it this way. Kalau nggak salah bisa ditulisnya kayak gini deh. You can write it like 3x. I'm sorry. 3x squared minus 3x plus 8 minus 9 divided by x times 1. Right? I think you can write it this way too. Mengerti? Why is 3 times squared? Why is 3x squared? It's squared because it's the second degree. You see, the thing about division of polynomials is that the polynomials go down by 1 degree. For example, this is a third degree. And if we divide it, then it's going to go down by 1 degree. So it becomes 3 times square. It becomes a second degree. You got it? Where did the 8 come from? 8 come from this part. See, when first we do the equations, like I just did. And once we get to the end, we don't use the number at the end. We only use these 3 numbers. And these 3 numbers go down by 1 degree. And we write it as so. So the first one is 3, which means 3 is the second degree. And we get minus 3, which means it becomes the first degree. And because 8 is the last number, it becomes a constanta. It doesn't go to the degree. You guys get it? Ada contoh lain, Bu? Another example. Let's look for another example. Another other example. How about this? X square. Actually, no, that's too easy. Do this. Plus 2x minus 3. And let's divide that by this. I want to write that down better. I'm very sorry. Just a minute. I wanna write nicely so that you guys would understand better. It's like this. My handwritings. I'm sorry. I'm struggling with my handwritings. Minus 4x plus 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2. That 2 looks horrible. So, why does the 2 keep looking ugly? Stop looking ugly too. Let's just say that this is the equation, okay? And let's break it down a little. This is going to be the divider. The divider. This is going to be the dividee. I don't know what you call it. Let's just call it dividee. I forgot. What do you call this? Yeah, anyways. Bu, izin ke kantin, Bu. Gak boleh. Istirahat masih nanti. Okay? The dividend. Oh, it's called the dividend? The dividend. So this is the dividend and this is the divider. The victim. Not like that, Kana. No, not like that. Anyways, let's break this down a little bit. X3 minus 4x plus 2x minus 1. This is what we call a third degree polynomial. Why is it called a third degree polynomial? Because the exponent is 3, which means it's third. Okay? And because we're going to divide it, it's going to go down by 1 degree. Okay? You got it? How does it go down by 1 degree? Because it's divided by x plus 2. And the x plus 2 becomes minus 2. Because x plus 2 equals 0 is x equals minus 2. Got it? This is the basic stuff. Now, let's try counting. So. Let's try counting this a little. So this is going to be minus 2. This is going to be 1. Because there's no coefficients in front of it. So it's 1. And then we get a minus 4. 2. And a minus 1. This goes down 1. This becomes minus 2. Because minus 2 times 1 equals minus 2, correct? And when we add this, it becomes minus 6. And when we time this again, minus 6 times by minus 2, it becomes 12. We do this and it gets added again. And then 14 times by minus 2 becomes minus 24, and we put this here. And we add this again, it becomes minus 25. This is going to be the remainder. And we already got our answer. We got 1 minus 6 and 14. Which means we will write it as x squared minus 6x plus 14. Understood? 28. Oh, you're right. 28. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was very low brain of me. 28. Not 24. Janakte. Okay? You got it? You got it? It's pretty simple. And you can write this as x2 minus 6x plus 14 minus 29 divided by x plus 2. Understood? Yes, I actually got it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's great. We're doing well. Ah! My milk! Wait, my milk! No! Ah! Ah! My milk! Ah! My milk fell. Milky. My milk! Masih ada sisa sih. There's still some left. No crying over spilled milk. Daijoubu ka? Gyunyu ochita. Yada, gyunyu. Gyunyu. Ichigo gyunyu desu. I'm having strawberry milk. Listen. Milk is always good. Yes. You guys get it? You guys get it now? So there's the long division and also the synthetic division. Both are easy, actually. So let's try doing one more. Let's do it the long way and the synthetic way. So let's look for a hard one actually. Yuk kita cari yang agak susah. Let's say wait, have we done this one? Have we done this one actually? Which one should we do? Should we do an easy one? I kind of want to do a kind of hard one. Yeah, anyways, how about this one? 2x 3 times 2x times 7x 2 times I mean plus. I keep saying plus as times. It's a habit. I'm very sorry. Divided by 2x plus 3. Let's do this one. Why won't it look pretty? There we go. We're going to do this one, okay? We're doing this one. Is that okay? This should be okay, right? Hindi ka ba kan ya? So, it's not that hard. Yeah, it's not that hard, but let's just, So first we gotta put the 2x and 3. Then we make the house. A big house because it's a big family. With 2x3 plus 2x plus 7x squared plus 9. Okay? So what we do is that 2x3 divided by 2x is going to be x2. Right? It's going to be x2. Once we get x2, we just put it down. So this becomes 2x2. 2x2 because it's 2x times by x. Wait, no, actually that becomes 3. Yeah. And then plus 3 times by x squared becomes 3x squared. Right? Which means actually, that means we gotta put it here. Right, and then we minus this. This gone. This goes down to x plus 3x. Wait, no. 4x squared goes down, and this becomes 9, right? And then once we get that, all we need to do is that, you know, I think I did something. Right, I forgot to arrange it. I'm sorry, I forgot to arrange it. No wonder something was off. I forgot to arrange. Like it wasn't according to the degrees. I'm very sorry. That was very poo-poo brain of me. This becomes 2x plus... Can you write even clearer, Ollie? 2x3 plus 7x2. Right, this is how you're supposed to write it down. You gotta arrange it first. Right. I forgot to do that. Sheesh, back to 0. No. We got this. All we need to do, this is going to be x2. And then following that, it becomes 2x3 plus 3x2. This is what we got last time. And this is going to be 4x2 plus 2x plus 9. And then it's going to be divided again. Once it's divided, it's going to be 4x squared divided by 2x is going to be 2x. So we put 2x over here. Once we get 2x, this is going to be like this. And then times by 2x. 3 times 2x is going to be 6x. Right? And then we do this. This becomes nothing. And this becomes 8x. And this goes down. 9. Then this gets divided again. Wait, is this right? Wait, I just remembered something. It's not 8x. We're subtracting it, which means this is going to be minus 4. Minus 4x. Yeah, minus 4x plus 9. I'm sorry about that. Once we do that, this is going to be divided by 2x again. Which means we're going to get minus 2. Because minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. And we get rid of the x. And we do this for x. And then 3 times minus 2 is going to be minus 6. And then we minus this. Wait. Let's do this real quick. So we're going to subtract that. And once minus means to subtract, it becomes plus. So this becomes 15. So the remainder is 15 and the answer is 6 squared plus 2x minus 2. Yay! We did it! You guys get it? I don't know, man. What's 9 plus 10? I don't know. What about you? Yes. Oh, you're not explaining anything. I am explaining! See, let me explain again. So, this is the divider, and this is the divider, and this is the dividend, right? If a dividend gets divided with a divider, you gotta put a house over them. You gotta put a roof. Once you put a roof, you put the divider outside of the house because they're not a part of the family. And what you do is that first you gotta meet with the father. You know, the highest degree. You gotta meet up with the father. And then the divider gotta talk to the father and be like, hey, I want in. And then the fathers be like, how much you want in? And then they'll start bargaining and stuff. So like 2x 3 gets divided by 2x, you know? And then it becomes x2. And this is going to be the bargain for the father. You got it? Once you got the bargain for the father will be like, okay, I'll let you in. But after the father lets you in, you're not going to get into the house right away. You gotta meet up with the mother, which is the second degree, okay? But before that, this is going to before you meet up with the mother, you kind of gotta share the bargain you got from the father. So what you do is that 3 times with x square, and then this is going to be the bargain left for the mother. But the mother isn't happy with the bargain, so what you do is you gotta bargain it again. So this gets divided with this, and once you got it, you put it over here, okay? And then you give the bargain for the first child, okay? And then it becomes like this. This 9, the 9 doesn't matter. The constant doesn't matter. It just goes down. Okay? You got it? Once you got it, all you need to do is do the same thing to the first child. The first child be like, hey, I want a PlayStation 5. Okay, you give it a PlayStation 5. So what you do is that you divide this with this. And then you'll get the bargain. And then you just need to add everything else, okay? And that's how the divider gets into the damn house. By bargaining. The youngest child doesn't matter. The youngest child doesn't matter. The youngest child can't even count. Okay, but I'm not okay. Ollie, you made it complicated again. How do you get 6x? 6x? What 6x? There's no 6x in the house! What are you talking about? There's not a single 6x! There's no 6x's! Ooh, there's no 6x, okay? The mother and father didn't raise any 6x's! You got it? So ask the father, the mother, and then the oldest brother, and then you get Ollie. That's not how it works, okay? Can I get astronomy class? Well, you can get your butt out of this class and maybe talk to someone else. Go to Muna Senpai, she's probably good at astronomy. We're in math class, dang it! 6x, where's the 6x? Oh, you mean this 6x? You get the 6x by timing 3 and 2. Wait, no, not that 2. By timing this. You time this 3 and this 2x and you get a 6x, okay? That's how you get it. Got it? Hi, anyways, let's oh darn. Let's try the Horner style, shall we? Kita coba cara Horner ya. Let's do the Horner style. So that was the long division style. Let's do the synthetic style. Synthetic. How many times have I wrote synthetic? So what you do is that first you gotta change the x, okay? The x is 2x plus 3. Which means it becomes 2x minus 3. So then the x becomes minus 3 divided by 2. Okay? Once we get the x, we gotta put it in the formula. So it's a minus 3, 2, with 2, 7, 2, and 9. Okay? You get the 2 from the highest degree. And then the second highest degree is 7. So we put 7 over here. Once we get the second degree, we go to the next degree, which is 2. We put 2 over here. And the constant, the child who doesn't matter, 9 over here. Okay? So what you do is first 2 goes down. Then 2 times minus 3 divided by 2 is minus 3. Okay? So we put minus 3 here. And then this becomes 4. Once we get 4, 4 gets timed with minus 3 divided by 2, which means it becomes minus 6 And then it goes down again. It becomes -4. Then once you get that, we get another 6 over here. Then we subtract that. And it becomes 3. Yes. Right? This will be the wrong answer though. You're right. The answer is different on this one. But anyways, we're going to keep counting anyways. So then 2 becomes 2x squared. And this is going to become plus 4x minus 4 with the remainder of 3. But this is the wrong answer. It's just the Warner cell. Yes. 15! Oh my god, you're right. You're right, we add this. I keep forgetting that we're adding stuffs. This is how I feel in my math class. I kinda forgot if I have to add or subtract. Becomes plus 15 divided by 2x plus 3. And done! Both methods have to come with the same answer, Ollie. And did we do it wrong? Did we do it wrong then? Can you divide it by 2? What do you mean? You know what? I think this is a bit confusing. Let's take a little breather, shall we? Ini kita istirahat bentar kali ya. So let's take a little breather. Wait, that's the answer? No, that was the wrong answer. We already got the answer from the previous one with the long division. Sometimes it doesn't always work with the synthetic one. I kinda advise you guys to always use the long divisions because at least it's always right. That was a good attempt. Thank you. Anyways, let's have a little rest, shall we? So I want to prove to you guys why 1 plus 1 equals 2. I want to prove this to you guys. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. This is what I kind of learned. This is what my math teacher actually taught me. Why is 1 plus 1 equals 2? So basically, okay. Here's the deal. A plus 0 equals A, right? Right? And because A plus 0 equals A, that means if, let's just say that we have this thing. It's hard to explain, but we have this thing called a successor. Let's just say that there's a successor and we do this. A plus successor times B. Wait, what happened? Times B. It's going to be S A minus B. Right? So, all we need to do is that we put 1 plus 1 equals 2 into the formula. So what we do is 1 plus 1 equals A plus successor O. That becomes S O plus 1. And so, the S1 becomes 2. Ta-da! Ta-da! So 1 plus 1 is 2. Wakarimashita ka? Just kill me already. Why is it minus? This is the law. That is the absolute law. Quick maths. Just to prove you guys that 1 plus 1 is 2. And you can't change that. It's not 1 plus 1 equals 3. Who does that? You guys better prove to me why 1 plus 1 equals 3 or 1 plus 1 becomes 4. No, 1 plus 1 is 2. You got it? Can you repeat it again? Okay, so allow me to repeat. So, I'm going to say this once. Let's just say... Wait, why did I write this as 2? So, A, let's just say that this is a variable, okay? This is a variable. Or, you know, you guys can imagine it as a coefficient. But either way, A plus 0 equals A, right? Like, if 1 plus 0 equals 1, then A plus 0 equals A, right? Let's remember that. And so if we put the successor, let's just say A plus SB, then it's the same thing as the successor times by A minus B, right? And so if we put 1 plus 1 into the formula, it becomes A plus successor 0 equals successor O plus 1. And so it becomes successor 1. And it becomes 2. Got it? So I don't want your brains to explode, so I guess we'll take a real break this time. Let's go and have a break! Woohoo! Nothing like a good sit after a good math class, am I right? 楽しかったね。なるほど、なるほど。So that was it. Finally, break. Video games. Anyways, let's just take a deep breath and exhale. What a nice math class. Thank you, Ollie Sensei, for teaching. Here's my tuition fee for Croatia High Schoolie. Thank you. Twig legs. It's not twiggy. My legs are good. They wanted to put me in Vogue, but they said that my legs were too long. Yes. So anyways, how are you guys doing? We've been at this for an hour now. And let's take a 15 minutes break and then call it a day. Bu Guru gak sopan. Bu Guru mau gimana aja boleh karena ini adalah SMA crazy. SMA negeri crazy. Kota hololive. So. I can do whatever I want. Don't do this at school, ya. Don't do this at school. You're going to get expelled. Jangan sampai kalian ikutin contohnya Ollie ya. Kalau kalian ikutin contohnya Ollie, nanti kalian di DO. Jangan ya. SMA Negeri Gawaras. Betul sekali. Ini SMA NK. SMA Negeri Crazy. So yes, I think we'll be reading some super chats and then we're going to end the stream. Thank you so much everyone for coming. This has been a fun math stream. I hope that you guys actually get the things that I said. I hope you guys semoga kalian ngerti ya tadi Ollie ngapain aja ya. Tadi Ollie sempat salah-salah dikit, but ya memang kayak gitu kan ya. That's just life. It's just life. We make mistakes sometimes. And I will be reading the donations. was fun for you guys. Calculus stream when? I don't know. How about we make a poll later? We're going to make a poll and then maybe next week, I don't know, next week, maybe in 2 more weeks, we're going to have another math stream. I think that'd be fun. You made 1 + 1 go brr. I did. Anyways, allow me to read the super chats. Everyone, thank you so much for coming. The first one I'd like to thank is from Franz Luis Sasista. Ollie, I can teach you graph theory if you want. Maybe later. Let's just stick with polynomials first. Thank you. Next is from Sumeshiro, and it's a very big super chat. I would like to make a deposit in the emoto tank. Thank you. Sir, this is a school. Sumeshiro ni. This is a school. これは学校ですよ. It's not a bank, it's a school, but thank you so much. Next is from Ghosty-chan. Zambawa Ari-sensei. It's over a decade since I last divided polynomials, so thank you for taking your time to teach us. My pleasure. It was fun going back to polynomials. It was the last thing that I remembered. After I raised from my grave, ito adalah hal pertama yang Ollie ingat waktu Ollie bangkit dari kubur. Ollie bangun-bangun dari kubur, Ollie kayak, oh, polinomi. Literally, after I got back from the dead, I was like, oh, polynomials, ooh. Not really, but thank you. Next is from Bobby. Oh, I'm almost late. The gate was closing, but I'm safe. I'm glad that you're safe. Thank you so much. Next is from Mathron 5000. It's literally 6 a.m., but I am so hyped for this stream. It's 5 years since I've actually done this, so this will be a nice practice for me. Love you, Ollie. Love you too. Thank you so much for enjoying the stream. Next is from Donna. Selamat malam, Bu Guru Ollie. Oh, bahasa. Donna. Donna pakai bahasa Indonesia kali ini. Never thought I will say good evening to my teacher. Good evening, Donna. Selamat malam, Donna. I hope you enjoyed the stream. Thank you. And then from Octorex, I just got off work in time to see my favorite zombie princess. I'm glad that you got to see me. Thank you so much for coming to the stream and thank you for the donation. Next is from Lan. I'm watching this instead of studying for my math test. My future is in your hands, Ollie. Does your math test include polynomials? I kind of doubt. It's kind of... What semester is it for you guys? This is like the second semester for you guys that are in high school and middle school? I don't know. Anyways, thank you. Next is from Mathron 5000. It's only 1 letter. It's also easy. Also, screw matrix. Yeah, I hate matrix so much. I hate matrix to my bones. It's so hard. I don't remember columns and rows at all. Thank you. And then next is from Messed Up Brain Spike. Something smells. Oh, sorry, that's me. Continue. Please take a shower. Messed Up Brain Spike. Zendria. 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 Zendria, what? Zendria. Zen! Did you really just donate it? Zen! Why did you give me $99? That's such a big red super chat! Zen, you're simping for me. People are going to clip this, you know. Zentre, thank you for coming. Did you just got here, or were you here for a long time but I was too busy counting? Zentre, thank you. Nice legs. Thank you, Zentre. It was by a very, very talented Zamrid of mine. All of my Zamrids are very, very talented. The legs are nice. Thank you so much for coming. Did you manage to catch the math class? How was it? Did you learn a thing or two about polynomials? The Gecko Queen. The Gecko Queen. Zen Gunawan dilupakan. Enggak kok, Zen Gunawan masih... I just woke up. What is math? Oh, she missed it. Should we go back then? Should we go back and teach Zen a little about maths? Actually, let's do that. Zentre, before we go back to donation reading, allow me to teach a little about polynomials to you. Here. I'll do this real quick. So Zentre. There's 2 types of polynomials division. The first one is called the long division. You gotta make, when you use the long division, you gotta make a house for the family. And the other one is called the synthetic division. Yes, and in the synthetic division, you kind of just add everything. Oh, I see. Yeah. So here's the thing about long divisions. When long divisions, let's just say you have a divider. You have a divider, and then you have the dividend. You put the dividend inside their house. And what you do is that you're going to divide the highest degree with the divider. Once you do that, you put that up here. Let's just say it's an A, and then you time A with the divider. And usually the divider has like a constant, so it becomes like a DA plus a CA, and then you kind of subtract that, and you keep doing that until you get the remainder. The remainder is just like a number without letters. Yeah. So this will be the result of the division, and then you will be left with this thing called the remainder. Yes, quick math. As for the synthetic part, let me tell you, Zentre, the synthetic part is quite confusing, but it's still really fun. So what you do is that first you gotta put the dividend accordingly to the highest, like from the highest degree. You gotta put it like, let's just say that this is a third degree. Let's just say that it's a third degree polynomial. You gotta put it like this, the constant, and then you're going to divide it with the divider. It's 7 a.m. Ollie. No. It's because it's 7 a.m. Zentre. Come on. I don't understand. Oh, you understand? She actually says understand. Yeah. So yeah. Anyways, what you do is first you gotta pull down the highest the highest degree down, and then you're going to time it with the divider. Once you time it with the divider, you gotta move it over here, so it becomes like this, and then you add it. You get a sum, and then let's just say that you get a D2 plus DD3, and then you're going to want to multiply the divider with this part, and it goes here, which means this becomes a divider at the D2 plus DD3. And then you're going to add that again, and it goes down here. Let's just say that this becomes D1 plus D2 plus DD3. And then you're going to do that for the constant, and you'll usually end up with a reminder at the end. Well, the reminder doesn't really, it's usually 0, so it doesn't really matter. And then you're going to like put the polynomial into a lower degree. You get it? Yeah, quick math, because you kind of missed the class. It's nap time, Teach! Let's sleep together then. Anyways, yes. Thank you. Anyways, let's read the donations again. LOL. Yes, I kind of get it. It's easy, right? Polynomials, it's pretty easy. Long divisions is actually really fun. It is really fun. Anyways, next is from Umi. Ollie, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Okay? Wakarimasu ka? I do understand. Thank you, Umi. Do you want me to prove it again? I'll prove it again. So, why is 1 plus 1 equals 2? Let me tell you why 1 plus 1 equals 2 again, Umi. So, 1 plus 1. We're going back to the laws of the successor. Okay? So what we do is that A plus 0 equals A. I'm sorry. Let's read some donations. I just can't help it. Math is pretty fun, okay? Anyways, thank you. Next is from Christopher Pasternak. Math is my strong point. Having that said, I haven't done math in 15 years. Last time I did was solving integrals. Anyways, Anyways, you go, Ollie. You guys want to solve integrals with me? Do you guys want to solve integrals with me? I think I can do that. Integrals. Let's look for one. Everyone's saying yes. Okay, let's look for an integral equation. Hi. Hi. Probably now. No, please, my brain. Yes, I need a break. You need a break, though. Okay, so here's the thing about integrals. Wait, what kind of integrals are we going to be talking about? What integral are we going to talk about, actually? How about linear integral equations? Right, linear integral. Yes, if I'm correct, accordingly, the form is like and then we have this. And right? Okay. I'm sorry. Let's go back to let's go back to donation reading. Let's save that for another day, I guess. I see. I'm sorry, Zen. I just really like maths. Bochi sensei mo iru. Bochi sensei, yokoso. Bochi sensei. Divisions of polynomials shittemasu ka? Bochi sensei, do you know divisions of polynomials? Do you know it, sensei? Sensei, Bochi sensei. 知ってますか？ポチ先生。答えて。ポチ先生。Dude, your stream keeps on looping for me. It was so weird, so much math. I'm back, what happened? Pochi sensei. Sorry, I don't know what's... Okay, because Pochi sensei doesn't know. It's time that I explain again to Pochi sensei. Hi, Pochi sensei 教えますね。先生でさ、divisions of polynomial 二人があるよ、先生。最初は long division と言うんだ。そして、次は synthetic division と言うんだ。そう、どっちが好き？ long division？ それとも synthetic division どっちが好き？どっちが好き？ポチ先生選んで待ってるよ。どっち選ぶ？お願いします。long division をする？ synthetic division をする？それともリネアルインテグラル？ Please please やめて。We're stuck here forever. あ、消えた。先生消えた。My brain exploded. あー、じゃあシンタティックディビジョンをするか。じゃあ先生ポリノミアル知ってる？ポリノミアルがあるなら、そしてディバイデってさ、ディバイデって言うんだ。とりあえず x プラス1 equals x マイナス1わかりますか？そしてね、ポリノミアルは例えばこれはポリノミアルですね。じゃあこれはハイエストデグリー、高いデグリーです。これはここ、そして第2デグリーはこれから、これはここ、そしてこれ、そしてこれはコンスタンタ。気にしない。コンスタンタは悪い子だから。じゃあこれあるならこれで下に行こう。マイナス1 times by 2 equals マイナス2だから、ここに行こう。そしてこれと0 times マイナス1 equals 0から、これがここ、そしてこれとこれ、そしてこれ、そしてね、これです。これはリメインダーって言うんだ。リメインダー。そう。そしてこれは答えです。じゃあ答えはこれです。わかりますか？そうです。楽しいね、数学。All we need to do is wait for another guest. And then it'll be never ending. そうです。わかんない。楽しいんだ。はい、OK, I'll be reading the donations again. 助けて。なんで数学は楽しいよ、先生。数学は楽しいよ、先生。何言ってんの？楽しいよ、先生。Anyways, thank you. And next is from Mathron 5000. What do you mean you weren't done with high school at 17? Kappa. Well, I mean 17 means that, well, I haven't finished it. I just haven't finished high school, okay? Well, I'm a high schooler who died and got reanimated as a zombie, okay? So I didn't get to finish high school. Not to mention, after I got turned into a zombie, I go to the idol business. So what do you want from me? Anyway, thank you. Next is from the Shelkin. Hola, super chat perdana nih. Wak. Semangat matnya. By the way, matrik gampang. Enggak, matrik gak gampang. Tapi makasih banyak. Itu donasinya besar banget. Terima kasih, the Shelkin. Apa? Makasih udah bikinin dakimakura Ollie. Thank you for making a dakimakura of Ollie. I saw a lot of people buying it. I'm really happy. Thank you. Yay indeed. Anyways, next is from Sakfex. Sakfex says 1 plus 1 go ber. Yes, exactly. How about 1 plus 1 equals 2? Oh, would you like me to explain that, Kirby Leonetta? Would you like me to explain why 1 plus 1 equals 2? I'll be happy to. Watch the archive. Center is running away. No, please. Hi. We're looping all over again. This is why I like math streams. We should do this more often. Let's make this a weekly thing, actually. Yeah. Anyways, thank you. Next is from Sakura Yokoi. Math! This is the scariest stream I have ever seen. Even scarier than those who play horror games. Also, my first Ollie super chat. Thank you. I'm honored to be. I'm really happy that you gave me. I'm happy that this is your first super chat. That's what I wanted to say. I can't believe this is in high school level math. I absolutely never remembered learning these. These are all high school. Actually, this is Indonesian high school level. I heard that this level is actually middle school in some countries, which is why it's not that hard. Let's do trigonometry next week. Thank you. And then next is from Mathron 5000. At this point, why am I not a member? I don't know. Become a member. What are you doing? But anyways, thank you. Next is from 715B32. Are you studying math, actual math, on stream instead of Apex? What is this even? Guys, come on, math is fun. Math is as fun as Apex. It's nice. And instead of losing brain cells, you gain brain cells, right? It's really, really nice. I mean, would you guys prefer a whole month of Apex stream? Or like weekly math streams? Like, I think weekly math streams would be better than just Apex every day. Right? Anyways, weekly math. See, everyone's choosing weekly maths. Daily math, please. See? It's better than a whole month of Apex. My manager would cry if I did a whole month of Apex. Anyways, next is from David Roseman. Yeah, math. I missed basic maths. What do you mean you missed basic maths? This is the most basic of all. This is the most basic maths that you could ever find. What other basic maths do you want? 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. That's quick maths. That's the basic math that you want. That's baby level. Very nice, thank you. Next is from Joe Mama. I love Ollie, but I didn't want to wake up to high school PTSD flashbacks. Whoever created algebra and calculus can fight me. Well, quick news, they're dead. Quick news, the one who created algebra and calculus died. Anyways, thank you so much. Next is from Pong. It sim too hard at the concert, so I need my 6 a.m. sleep. If you have time, solve this equation. Good luck and have fun in stream, Ollie Sensei. Oh, it's this equation. Guys, is it okay if I do this? Well, basically, all of you guys should know this equation by now. I kind of know this too. Let's do an equation together. An easy equation. It's like a basic equation. It's just normal algebra. So let's erase this. Hi. Very, very basic. So this is a 9x minus 7i is bigger than 3x minus 7u. I'm sure everyone already knows this equation by now, and we kind of already know the answer. But it's just fun doing it, you know? So this is going to be x, like we're not doing anything with this part. First, we gotta times the 3x minus 7u. So it becomes a 9x minus 21u. Then the 9x will go over here. And it'll kind of eliminate each other. So it becomes minus 7i is bigger than minus 21u. And so, the thing about this again is that this will cancel each other. And so this becomes 7i bigger than 21u. Because, you know, because it's not negative again. Like, because now they're positive, this becomes bigger. And all we need to do is divide 7 and 21 with 7. So this becomes nothing. It becomes I bigger than 3u. Basically, a classic. I like this. Summon Jerome Pauline. Let's go! Tapi kayaknya keren ya kalau bisa collab sama Nihongo mantap tuh ya. Dang. Hi Alia, this is my equation for you. This is for you Alia. Hehe. This is Alia. Hehehe. This is Alia and this is a diamond ring. Let's get married. Love you. Collab sama Jerome. Keren kan ya kalau bisa collab sama Jerome kan ya. I'm die. No, I'm die. Kapan Ollie dapat restu dari kakak kamu? Ollie pengen langsung nikah sama kamu Alia. I want your hand in marriage Alia. Mulai Zen. Zen. Thank you for the equation. I really like doing quick equations like this. Thank you very much. Hi. Anyways, let's go back to donation reading. Next, I'd like to say thank you to Kilimanjaro. Love Ollie because she is as cute as... I have no idea what that is. I don't remember the names of those things, you know? But thank you. Next is from Diabolic Tutor. Sorry, Ollie, I only know how to subtract from my bank account. That's not how it's supposed to work, but thank you. Next is from Kilimanjaro. So. Is it P or Pi? It's none of those. It's like an O, but with something in the middle. It's okay. It's okay. You guys don't need to tell me. It's all good. Anyways, next is from Fateburn. 2x squared plus 2x divided by x equals 69? How does that work? What's x then? How is 2x squared plus 2x divided by x equals 69? This counts for some maths. Shall we count? Shall we discover what x is? Wanna find x? Don't look for your ex, guys. Move on. Get a new girlfriend or boyfriend or something. You guys shouldn't be looking for your ex. Anyways, thank you. Next is from Oji-san Howard. Hashtag team addition and subtractions. Thank you. Next is from Yakov Merkin. Learning polynomials with Ollie, so we're learning Ollinomials then? You're right. Thank you. Next is from Michelle Ken. Please solve this problem. I already did. I just did actually. The 9x minus 7i is bigger than 3 times 3x minus 7u. Yeah, I already did that. Anyway, thank you. Next is from Simpleton. It's like that. Huh, I understand everything now. Doesn't get it at all. Thank you. And from Deadshot, here's my reminder to check Streamlabs. I left you something. It might be a while before you hear from me again. Something personal came up and I'm going to be focusing on doing some things I never got the chance when I was younger. Take care of yourself, Emoto. Your streams have always brightened my day. Thank you. But I think I'll still be checking Streamlabs in a donation stream. I hope you don't mind. But I'll be waiting for you until you come back. Thank you so much, Deadshot, for the very, very big red super chat. Because I kind of need to end the stream soon. I've been counting a little bit too much. Anyways, thank you so much. Please take care out there. Be careful, and I hope you achieve whatever you're reaching out for. Thank you. Next is from a person Garrido. Please, Ollie, teach us about Riemann integral. You want me to teach you about Riemann integral? Maybe not now. Everyone's going to kill me. Anyways, next is from SDG4GX123. Hangul, 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 hangul. I eat low price champagne alone, dizzy for a few hours. It's okay now. Eh? Did you eat shampoo? What's a champagne? What's a low price champagne? What's a champagne? Please take care. Please take care. How do you say it in Korean? Stop. What's stop? Damn it. I can't speak Korean, so I'll just say that. Champagne. Oh, champagne. I eat low price. They drink champagne alone? drinking. Drinking is not good. If you want to drink strawberry milk. Strawberry milk is the best. Next is from hilarious and original. Ollie, let's just play Apex. Someone gave up and said just play Apex. Thank you. Next is from Type 91. Hololive is so educational. Yes, because we are idols and we have a lot of people looking up to us, so we gotta give a good example, you know what I'm saying? Thank you. Next is from Ask Gosu. Me, degree in math, also me. That's right, that's called coefficient, such a smart, cute, super zombie idol. Thank you, Gosu. I'm glad that I did it correctly. Next is from Mathron 5000. This is why we invented Wolfram Alpha. Thank you. Next is from Oja. I'm sorry, Teacher Ollie, I don't understand at all. All I do is watch you do the explaining. There must be something wrong with my eyes. I can't take them off of you. It must be because of your glasses. So I scribbled on the paper and wrote something that had nothing to do with math. Guys, pay attention to class while I'm explaining. I know I'm cute, but you guys gotta pay attention. You guys gotta pay attention when I'm explaining stuff. Why do we have a math stream anyways? You better pay attention next time. Berikut-berikutnya kalian harus fokus loh. Nggak mau tahu? Okay? We try our best. Focus on the subjects. I'm not a subject. I'm a kawaii zombie idol. You got that? I'm going to be very mad. I'm going to give you detention. Yes, I'll give you a detention. What detention should I give you? Oh, I know. I know the perfect detention, actually. Because you weren't paying attention to class.
I'll be using this voice instead. If I see anyone else that didn't pay attention, my voice will go lower. Anyways, thank you so much. Next is from Nat Kudai. I actually got it right. I'm so hyped. That's good. Thank you. I'm glad that you were paying attention. Next is from Oja. You know the dandelion flower? The one that scatters its seeds in the wind? The seeds is the flower, baby. But it can't turn into a desert in the garden. All it needs is to be loved just by one person in the whole desert and to be told that how pretty dandelions are. Well, guess Oja wasn't paying attention. Will lower my voice. And then from Oja. Yes, sorry, Teacher Ollie. That's what I did in the past to pass this lesson, even though what I wrote was different. Another one. We're just going to keep lowering it until it's the lowest. But thank you so much, Oja, for the red super chats. I early. That's 3 super chats in a row. Thank you so much. Next is from What Is Life? Philosophy class win. I guess that's another pitch down. Thank you very much. Next is from Tylerin XD, who said zombies are brain dead. Ollie is crazy at math. Thank you. Next is from Vivi Core. Ollie Sensei, can I get a cheat sheet? No. Another pitch down. Next is from Kanji Ovo. Math stream. I am long divisions team. Thank you so much for the red super chat, Ovo. Thank you. Next is from Oja. Sorry, Teacher Ollie, I started losing my mind, so this time please forgive me for memeing instead. This is as low as I can go. How much lower do you want me to be? How lower do you want my voice to be, Oja? I just want you to pay attention in class. Is it that hard? Is it that hard to pay attention?
Oh my god, Alia. So the funk. I like my new audio interface so much, really. Okay, anyways, let me reread the donations that I got. Yes. So it was from Oja, thank you very much. And from Natkurai, thank you very much. Oja, thank you so much for the 3 red super chats. I appreciate it a lot. Your support will not go unnoticed, and I'm very thankful. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Next is from What is Life philosophy class. No. How about you ask Polka Senpai for philosophy class? I think she'd be a great philosophy teacher. Like, have you seen her Twitter lately? Polka Senpai has really been going to the Socrate phase. It's kind of scary. We can have a holo school, actually. Like, there will be the math teacher, Yofi Sensei, and then there will be me, the math sensei, philosophy class with Polka Sensei, and then we'll also have PE with Subaru Sensei, maybe. Then we'll have a school consultant, which is Anya Sensei, right? Right? And we'll have German class with Kiara Sensei, and then I guess we'll have like we'll have that special class where it teach you about the bears and the beast with Marine Sensei, a holo school, Spanish class with Amelia Sensei. Wow, that sounds good too. And Bahasa class with Reine Sensei, cooking class with Hachama Sensei, Choco Sensei as a school nurse. Chemistry class with Pekora Sensei. Wait, they're all senseis? Always has been. Like, I kinda want that. Like a holo school alternate universe. That actually sounds really good. Thank you. Next is from Kylera in XD, who said zombies are brain dead, alias crazy at math. Exactly, thank you. Next is from Vivi Core. Alias Sensei, can I get a cheat sheet? No, you cannot. You do not cheat. And remember, don't use calculators in class unless they're calculus, okay? No calculators in my class unless it's calculus or something even worse than calculus. Other than that, we're counting with our fingers and brains. Hi, Esugi wa. The next is from Kanji Ovo. Math stream, great! I am long division team. Thank you so much for the red super chat. And I'm glad that you're in the long division team like me. Thank you. Next is from Oja. Sorry, Teacher Ollie, I start losing my mind. So this time, please forgive me for memeing instead. The numbers is Mason. What do they mean? What are these numbers? What do they mean? The numbers mean... To be honest, I don't know. We'll have to ask Polka Sensei. We'll have to go to philosophy class for that. But anyway, thank you. Next is from Fateburn. Give milkies, please. No, get your own milkies. I have my own milkies and I drink them alone. I do not share my milkies. Thank you. Next is from Mathron 5000. Can't wait for I drop my milk to be taken out of context. Please don't. But thank you. Next is from Meto 30. Milk reinforcement funds. Thank you so much for the milk. Next is from Kiseha. Very helpful stream, Ollie. Though some parts of your explanations are lacking, I understand it. I'm sorry. Well, first of all, I'm not really a sensei. I'm not really a teacher in the stream. I'm just studying with you guys. So, thank you. I'll try better to explain things later. Next is from Liu Liu. Lesson learned. To long divide, I bargained for PS5. Exactly, thank you. Next is from Julio. Where's my PS5? Oh no, now everyone's asking for a PS5. Next is from Mathron 5000. I am actually in pain from laughing from your class. I'm sorry. But thank you. Next is from Baguette Sama. May I get proof of the synthetic division algorithm, madam? You want that? Do you want that? Do you want us to go back to the class? Yes, lol, wait, no! There's so many yes and no's now in the chat, oh well. But no, let's read some donations and call it a day. It's almost been 2 hours. Next is from, actually, no, it's only been an hour, right? No, actually, it's been 2 hours. Anyways, next is from Mathron 5000. Mrs. Ollie. I'm not a Mrs. I'm not married to anyone. Oh, actually, I have been married to someone. I've been married to like 6 wives already. Yeah, anyways, Mrs. Ollie, the class should have ended 20 minutes ago. Can we go home yet? I need to get a PS5 for my baby brother. Sure, why not? Thank you. Next is from Frashstatic Snow. Positive and negative signs. Confusing. Them is my biggest weakness in math. Even in more complex math problem is a common pitfall. It's okay, thank you. Next is from Dimohon. I'm waiting for Ollie to open calculus teaching and learning stream one day. Maybe one day. Thank you. Next is from Simpleton. I'd like to see these strong math tutoring skills put to the test with the guru lesson. I suppose you can teach chat. Anything is possible after all. It is. Thank you. Next is from Donna. Thank you, Ollie Sensei, for teaching. Here's my tuition fee. Thank you. I'll be taking them. Thank you very much. Next is from Defiant Chicken. This is peak content. Ollie Sensei supremacy. Seeing a zombie idol teaching math brings out my inner nerd. I know, right? Thank you. Next is from Mr. Plain. Have to go to work, but my impressment over your math skills is songs. Thank you. And then next is from Ramen Kozo. Ariga thanks gozaimasu. Doita shimasu. Don't mention it. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimashita. Next is from Oja. That's nice legs, Ollie Sensei. Do you like them? Want me to step on you? No. I'm just kidding. Anyway, thank you, Oja. Next is from Bobby. Ollie Sensei, I saw Donna skipping class to go to the canteen. Well, detention it is. Donna will get 10 times the more homework. Thank you. Why is everyone saying yes? No, I won't step on you. I'm not stepping on you guys. ねえ、やめてくれ。キモいですけど。You want me to step on you that badly? Are you all perverts? Just kidding. Anyways, just kidding. Anyways, next is from Beavert. I am math PhD. He's part of my university swimming stipend. Thank you very much. Next is from Donna. Oh, no, chupu Bobby. I didn't go to canteen. I just ordered French fries and eat in the classroom. No, you're not allowed to do that. But thank you so much for the donation. Next is from... Oh, there's still a few more. Next is... Wow, there's actually so many. どこだっけ? ここか. Sockfax, you made 1 + 1 go brr. You said that already. Thank you. Next is from Fresh. And by the way, I seriously loved the intro to the stream so much. I hope everyone noticed that. It was so cool and awesome. You're so cool, Ollie. Thank you. And next is from Spy Agent Foxy. It's physics next. Maybe you'll have to ask physics from... You might want to ask... Who should we ask? Which senpai would be a good physics teacher? What do you guys think? Yofi. Aki physics. Oh, right! Aki-sensei! Akirose-sensei! Yes. Aki-sensei. Because her hair floats. And I don't get how physics does that. Yeah, she'd be the best. Aki-sensei. Ask her. Next is from Carlos. Thank you, Ollie. It was fun. It was fun for me too. Thank you. Next is from Ghosty-chan. My head hurts. I also understood synthetic better than long divisions. Looks like I will need to rewatch the archive. Be sure you keep rewatching it until you understand. Next is from Ask Gosu. This class was almost as interesting as Hachama's English class. Really? I'm glad. Thank you. Next is from Zendria. Thank you so much, Zendria, for the red super chat. It means a lot. Thank you. You're always... I missed you. Let's play Apex together. Again. Next is from, what is life? College is splitting my head. Might need calculus tutor. How do I... I've been doing too many maths, I forgot to English. College is splitting my head. Might need a calculus tutor. I'll be sure to tutor you then. Thank you. Next is from Sockfax. Good lord. Ollie Sensei arresting these does makes my hati go doki doki. Yes. You like my legs? I like it too. Zentria, nice legs, thank you! And thank you for the pink super chat, means a lot. Zentria, come on, we gotta play Apex again together. Next is from Jokuk. You hear Ollie ask you if you get it, and you just have to say that you get it when you don't really get it, but you just can't get into it because you would never understand. You hear Ollie ask you if you get it, and you just have to say you get it when you don't really get it, but you just can't get into it because you would never understand. It became a meme. Insert Katy Perry sad noises here. Thank you. Next is from 11 Vomcast. Just skipped from class. Has the teacher done the roll call? Oh yeah, I forgot to do roll call. Okay, let me do a roll call. Asolful boy? Is Asolful boy here? No? Attention for Asolful boy. Is Efu here? Attention for Efu too. How about... Oh, present. Well, guess what, Asolful boy? You're late. So you still get attention. Let's see, Soda Funk, I'm here. Oh, Soda Funk's here. What a good dearie. Soda Funk's so cute, sweetie. Let's see, how about Ninja Shark? Any Ninja Shark? Anyone? No? And detention for him too. Fresh. Oh, present. Okay, nice. What about Skitty? Skitty hasn't been showing up lately. And hasn't been clipping me too. Well, I guess that's attention for him too. I like roll calls like this. It's Mike Tyson here. Yeah, anyways. Next is from Pointy Star. I just wanted to add that your voice is so good. It was a good math class though. Thank you. Next is from Nate the Great, sending this to say that pure math is better than statistics. Haha, your stream was fun. I'm glad it was. I had so much fun too. Next is from Lupin GS. Ollie, are you learning math to take over the noodle shop one day? Yes, I am. One day, I'll be sure to learn statistics and get rid of that ramen owner and get my house back. Thank you. Next is from Bubbles. Hello, Ollie. Thanks for the math stream. I have my discrete math exam later today. Can you give me some words of motivation to keep studying going? Keep studying and maybe I'll reward you. Get a perfect score and maybe I'll reward you. If not, then you're grounded and you have detention. And you're not allowed to watch my stream. Thank you. Next is from Fartunaza. Love this. Brain has been awakened. Please, more math class. Sure, why not? I like that. Thank you. Next is from Zendrea. What's the square root of P and what are all of the numbers? You guys want to know the square root of P? Of pi, actually? What's P again? What's P again? Let's go back actually. So, if we go here, let's do this real quick. So P is basically 22 divided by 7, right? Right? So, that means, because it's 22 divided by 7, that means P is P14. Oh, it's again 15? I used to remember this I kind of remember the 15 first numbers. I kind of forgot. And something. What was it? Is this... Is this correct? Right, it was 3.1415. Right? It should be 3238. Oh, it's 3238? Oh well, anyways, I kind of forgot. Let's just skip that. I'm trying to recall it, but I can't. Anyways, thank you. And next is, where were we again? Alright, next is from, Jackfax. Can you make 2 + 2 = 5? I don't want to do that. That is... No. It's no. Next is from Kinetic. But, Miss Ollie, how are imaginary numbers real if they are imaginary? The thing is, they're not. They're just frictions of your imagination, Kinetics. Yes. Next is from Type 91. Integral is fun. It sure is. Thank you. Next is from 11 Vankes. No, God, please, no! Thank you. Next is from Hams. A + R + A × 2 = maybe later. Maybe later. We gotta end it soon. Next is from Octorex. Comedy comes in 3S, baby. Really, but thank you. Next is from Kanji. Ovo, the more the better. Next is from Tom. Nigerendayo! Thank you very much. Next is from Mathron 5000. Ollie, you were muted. Can you repeat everything? Wait, are you saying I was muted the whole stream? Did you guys not hear me when I was explaining the synthetics and the long divisions? Do you want me to repeat? No! No! Oh god, no! Satahaya said yes. No! We'll do it again next time. Next is from Moondog. Refreshing the basics are great, but can you help me discrete math, linear algebra, and calculus? A lot of people seem to want calculus. Sure, let's do that. Next is from Deskun. Can we stick to multivariable calc? I hate linear algebra. I failed that class so hard. Okay, then we'll do calc next time. Thank you. Next is from Brandon Welsh. Instructions unclear. Divided by 0 and got struck into an infinite loop. Can you explain that again? No, maybe later. But thank you. Next is from Bobby. Weekly math stream Ikuzo. I love seeing you having fun. Thank you. Next is from SPX730. Speaking mathematically, Ollie, your chest has infinitely big curvature radius. Congratulations! That's correct! It has really big curvature radius. Wait, what does that mean? But thank you, SPX730, for the very big red super chat. Next is from Tom. Answer this. How much is 1 Mitsuri Senpai equals to 1 Matsuri Senpai equal? It equals to 2 Matsuri Senpais. Thank you. Next is from Oja. I beg your pardon, milady, but my brain cells just die one by one. But please carry on. Okay, Oja, thank you. Next is from Zentrea. Are you a math problem? Because I got the answer. What's the answer then? What's the answer then? But that's actually a very bad flirt. That's a bad flirt. Don't say that to the math teacher. The math teacher was like, oh, what do you mean I'm a math problem? Are you calling me, a pain in the ass? Are you calling me difficult? Is that what you're trying to say? Never say that. Never. That's a bad flirt. Don't do that. But anyways, thank you. Next is from Zach Jacob. New topic, Ollie. As a zombie, are you friends with the local ghosts like Pochong, etc.? Do they look down on you because zombies are the Zako of the underworld? How dare they? I'm not the Zako of anything, but to be honest, I'm not friends with any of them. No, I'm not friends with any local, supernatural beings, sadly. I'm just an idol. Being an idol means I work a lot. I don't have the time for that. Anyways, thank you. Next is from Bobby. I love you. I love you too. Next is from Unpopular Weeb. A VTuber math teacher is all I need in my life. I'm glad. Thank you. Next is from Green Waffles. You should have Gura to be your guest in one of your math streams. She needs to know how to get the answer for 1 + 1. Should I? Maybe I'll invite her. Thank you. Next is from some sexy overseas guy. Hi, Ollie. Are your legs attached to your body or did you remove them for fun? Much love. They're attached to my body. Don't worry. Thank you. Next is from Asafo Boy. I can't focus is when you're too chantik. Oh, stop. Also, just getting home doesn't help either. Oh, Astolfo boy. Oh, Astolfo boy. Remember to pay attention to the next class, though. Thank you. Next is from Oja. If you're not sensei, then why punish us, my fair lady? Because I just like punishing people. It's fun. Next is from Suckfex. She's right, she has lots of wives. That's why she likes polynomials. Wink, wink. Oh, God. Next is from Astolfo boy. Since I miss your stream due to work, can I get a private tutor lesson? You want that? What if a Zomly private lesson with Ollie? Would you like that, Zomlies? Would you like a private lesson with me? Anyways, next. Next is from Suckfax. Ollie, that's why 1 + 1 = 2. Thanks, Amrit. Thank you. Next is from Astolfo boy. Man, this flat out injustice. No, it's not. But thank you for the donation. Next is from Has. Goodness gracious, zombie legs. Exactly. Thank you. And next is from Fresh. Infinite radius = straight line. Yeah, but. Oh, then I guess Harps is going to get some detention too. I'll be sure to remember that. Thank you for telling me, Fresh. Anyways, next is from Mathron 5000. Infinite radius = straight line. Dang it. And then next is from What is Life? Thanks for being a tutor, Ollie. Love you. I love you too. And that is all of the donations for today. Wow, that was a long stream. Like, it's already 2 hours. That was fast. But I guess that means we gotta end the stream. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming to the stream. This has been really, really fun. Even though I still lack on explaining the math equations, I hope you guys understood polynomials a little bit now. Walaupun Ollie tadi nggak ngejelasin sejelas-jelasnya, semoga kalian sekarang lebih suka polinomial dan matematika. I'll do better to teach you guys on the next stream. Yes, there will be more math streams, I promise you. So, please look forward to it and I'll keep doing my best. Yep, that is all for me. Thank you so much for coming. Terima kasih banyak telah datang. Okita karete hontou ni arigatou gozaimashita. This has been Crazy Ollie and I am signing out. Otsu crazy. Bye bye.
Attention please, attention please. School has now ended. Go grab some lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever time it is at your place. Eat, sit back, and simp for more VTubers. This has been Crazy Ollie. What's so crazy, everyone?